What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Outcast 4S. Got the V2, and then you got the v2.5. I'm gonna do a comparison to both vehicles today. I'm gonna start on the outside, and then I'm gonna give them both a good little bashing to see how they perform. Yeah, the V2 is pretty good. This is an awesome vehicle. I got this from my homie Ishmael. It hooked me up with a nice price. You know, very cheap. He even got the M2C Racing brace in the center right there, so it adds to the durability of the chassis. This one is just straight up stock, but I've never broke one of these chassis anyway. But it's good to have extra bracing on it. And the V2, the original V2, it has a dust guard on it right here, but the v2.5 have a taller dust guard. And shock tires are the same. Shocks are the same. Center braces is the same. The bracing in the car is the same, except for this one has a better battery tray restraints on it. Easy to hook the battery up, but it's harder to put the batteries in with that. This one is the basic one. It always, you know, this one's not bad though. Never had a problem with this battery tray. As you see underneath, both of them are the same basically, except for this got that center brace. The arms are the same. It's the V2, and this is the v2.5. It's about the same. Tires are the same. Wheelie bar wing mount is about the same. Just the chassis is a little different in the V2, and you got this little spot for the center diff to breathe a little bit, and people say to get debris out. The biggest change is that rear differential in the v2.5. That's a game changer right there. And it's got the slipper, metal slipper. You know, the slipper come loose from time to time, so it is annoying. But I definitely want to see the difference between the drives when I take it out and bash them today. Yeah, got the Outcast 4S. I turned the punch down. It can do a standing still backflip, but brakes are a little high there. I did set them up a little higher. Let's see if I can do a tree flip. All right, maybe I can get it this time. Jeez! This definitely don't have enough punch. Not enough punch. You know, let me mess with this real quick. Be right back. Yeah, I turned the punch down and it seems to be affecting everything. Yeah, I broke it. It's a little cool out here, but I got another Arrma in the house, so no big deal. Whoa, why is that front ballooning so much? I mean, that front is ballooning an awful lot. Look at that suspension work. Yeah, you can feel the difference in the drive. You definitely can feel the difference in the drive. That slipper makes a big difference. It really does. As for suspension and all that, it's about the same. It's just that slipper gives it a lot more power. I was wondering what the difference really would be. Now I see it. I definitely see it. Yo. Yeah, the power. The thing is, only thing I would say with these, get the slipper. That's the only thing that makes a difference. Yeah, this thing is flying out. Yo, it just completely jumped over the whole puddle of water. Yeah, that slipper makes a big difference. Let's try the tree jump. Oh, that jet messed up just the same. I ain't gonna keep trying the tree jump. I think that's what halfway broke it. I only got enough repairs for one. Yeah. But in the power, just the power delivery is a little different with that center diff. So if you got a V2, there's no point in getting a v2.5. Whoa! See what I'm saying? That makes the difference in the world. Just get the slipper. That'll make up for everything. Just get the slipper. Servo, we switch servos out anyway, but that was a hard hit. Didn't break anything, surprisingly. Fucking big ass rock, man. Arrma tough, baby. Okay. Arrma ain't that tough. It's like this thing trying to tear up the car. Yo, this thing is a beast. Definitely get the slipper, peoples. That's all you need. Oh! I need to stop before I break something. Cause this stuff is so wet and muddy. Oh my God. Yeah, this thing is a beast. See, the slides is different and everything, man. All because of that center diff makes a big difference. You almost lost it. Yeah, but tell me what y'all think. The durability is the same. That broke on some me bad driving, so it ain't like the car fault with my awful driving. I got that from my homie Ish, the blue one. This gonna be like red team versus blue team. I like both of them. If I had to choose, I would choose the one with the, if you don't have one, I say get it, but if you already got one, I say get the 2.5. It's a little cheaper too than the V2. The first V2, I'll say. But yeah, I mean, durability is about the same on both vehicles. Handling depends on the servo, shocks, suspension. Shocks and suspension about the same. It's just that but in the comments below, let me know what y'all think. I always run one car, always outlasts the other one, always. Yeah, because I'll be out here all day. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm out.